All right, so today's the day. Gentle Ben is going to start going through some cosmetic surgery. I'm not going to get into everything we're doing, so there'll be some surprises. But we are going to start tearing down parts of the car and some of the trim work, and the fenders are coming off, bumpers are coming off, and a little bit of body work. Basically going to keep it true to its history, but definitely getting a facelift. So stand by for what some of those changes look like. I'll actually do a video when I have some of the stuff torn down. But right now, it's pretty much as I received it. And like I said, today's the day we're actually going to start removing parts, and won't quite look like a full Coronet when we're done. But stay tuned for what we do to it.